Hi guys, I have some exciting news. So we introduced on our Facebook page and our website. We do have on Mondays, if you set up an appointment, you will get a $60 oil change synthetic blend and a express car wash from a Speed & Car Wash that we are associated with. And on Mondays, so if you set up your appointment, just call in, we can get you in. It's gonna be have to be a dropout. We'll take care of your oil change. We'll give you a synthetic blend. It's a good quality, up to 5,000 miles, and you get a car detail. Every third weekend, we also have another special. So every third weekend on Saturdays from 9 to 4, we are only taking by appointment only. We do oil changes and state inspections. The oil changes, synthetic blend as well, up to 5 quarts. As long as there's no specialty filters, you'll be looking at $20 per oil change. And the state inspections will be $10 on Saturdays only. Everything's set by appointment. We only have limited spots, so you have to call in and you have to set up your date so that we can get you in on the list. And we're only going to be accepting those for only the third weekend. We do oil changes and state inspections.